All right, guys, welcome back to Absurd Automotive. Little sister Isabel's out here, and we are at North Pole Speedway. We got the Mustang out here, and we have the track kind of all to ourselves right now. We're on a test day, kind of late in the year, so not a lot of people come out for the test day, so we're going to do some burnouts and see if we can slide this Mustang around a little bit without hurting ourselves.
Or crashing.
Or crashing the car, because it is brand new paint, all that stuff. So, but yeah, we got the car teched. It's all good to go. So that means we're going to kind of put this thing through the paces and get it ready for the drag strip down in Alaska Raceway Park. And this is just close to Fairbanks, easy to get to. And we drove the car here. So we got some dry rotted tires. We haven't put the new tires on yet. They're pretty bad. So we're gonna roast them off, have some fun, drive around, and hopefully be safe. But yeah, we got the track pretty much to ourselves. We're gonna go around and have some fun. Yeah, we just absolutely ran this car through its paces. That was awesome. This thing is awesome. It doesn't do burnouts real well unless I put it into first, which some automatic transmissions do that. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. That was way better than the Bradley GT2 we brought last year. This was a lot of fun. I'm really excited to take this thing to the drag strip in a few weeks. Oh, this is so much fun. I always love driving around this track. It is so much fun. It makes me nervous because I really don't want to hit a wall or something. That's like my number one thing. We should probably check temperatures, make sure that thing is good. Temperature gun hit me in the thigh at some point, but yeah. Yeah, we're gonna check temperatures. We're gonna let her cool off for a minute, and then we're gonna go and we might watch some of these other guys drive. There's a few guys with Corvettes here now. Might watch them drive and then head back home, and that'll be it. What'd you think, Isabel? Was it fun drifting around in the Mustang?
Yes, it was.
Was it better than field cars?
I don't know. Field cars, I felt safer in.
Yeah, the walls are new. We're not used to walls.
Even getting off the asphalt was scary. Like you doing the donuts, I'm like fuck. I
was gonna say I came pretty close. I came off the road like 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, you weren't like.
Well, there was some of them where I had the car sideways. I was like, I wonder how long I can keep this going because I had the car like completely sideways, and I was like, wow, this thing.
We did have inside footage, but it didn't play. And in the car, you can hear me go, "Have you done this before?"
I couldn't hear anything, and her dash cam thing just kept flying all over the car. I mean, we were running it. And then we were drifting. Obviously, I was just going to do a burnout, but then I was like, this thing slides.
Why is it doing that?
Better than it does anything. But yeah, that was awesome. Well, thanks for coming, Isabel. It was way more fun with you running around with me. That was fun. What's it at? 165? Oh, yeah, that's not bad. How's the motor? That's getting a little toasty. A little toasty. It's okay. We had some, what is all this? What's this fluid right here?
No.
That looks like oil. How is there oil? Oh, it might be because the dipstick. Yeah, it might be because that was flying everywhere.
Oh, it's on your battery.
Yeah, that's probably because the oil was going everywhere.
Dipstick.
But hey, nothing exploded. Nothing came out of the car. This was... What, the exhaust?
No.
That's the exhaust.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's fine. I was like, what is 302? I was like, we're blowing apart. Everything's burning to the ground.
You literally just...
But yeah, that was awesome. There's a bunch of Corvettes coming out now. These guys are getting ready to go, so we might stay and watch them. There's a dog. Hi, doggy. There we go. Hi, doggy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. And there's lots more videos to come. This was just like 20 minutes of our afternoon.